Check 1 2.
Check 1 2.
Check 1 2 3 4 5.
Check 1 2 3 4 5 6.
Check 1 2.
Check, check. Hey there, folks. Coming at you with a product review for these microphones.
Check 1 2.
Got two microphones here, working very well together. What do you think, Dave?
Sound good, except you might get some feedback standing in front of the speaker.
Yeah, well, I have to be in front of the camera.
Oh, well, that was a stupid place to put the camera. He sound good though. Sound is better than my Audio Technicas.
Yeah, this sounds really good. Really, really good. Impressed with the quality, folks.
Easy setup.
Very easy setup. And I'll walk you through that real quick. Okay. All right, folks. Very simple. You have this speaker. His other half is much more talented than him when it comes to singing. And has this little port in the back. Just put this receiver in. Receiver's got actually two. You get this supplied, so in case the jack in the back is a different size, you've got this, just goes over the top here. And you can charge it here with this little USB port. Turn it on and off. And that was two microphones. And hold on a second. Dave, give me that other microphone, please. There's a digital print, lets you know the battery strength, lets you know the volume and also the channel and the hertz and all of that stuff. Very good quality. You got a metal cap on top, and then you get these little covers, right? And then also, here is the battery that is used. And I think that's I want to say that's probably a 3-amp battery. And that's it. But very good quality. Excellent.
One moment.
Sound. And very happy with this.